Find a position that allows your body to feel completely supported. Allow the surface beneath you to take your weight fully. Allow your muscles to soften, not by effort, but with compassion and permission. There's nothing you need to do during this practice, nothing you need to achieve. There's nowhere to go. Simply allow yourself to rest. And now bring awareness to the natural rhythm of your breath. Noticing the movement of your body as you're breathing in and out. Trusting that the body knows exactly how to breathe. With each inhale and exhale, you feel a small release. The jaw softens. The shoulders melt away from the ears. The belly eases. Let the nervous system recognize that this is a safe space, a safe moment to slow down. And now bring awareness to all of the parts of the body that are touching the ground beneath you. All of the spaces where your body meets the floor. Notice the weight of the back body, the heels, the calves, the backs of your thighs. The pelvis rests heavy and supported. The back body broad, held. The shoulders, arms and hands resting. The back of the head supported by the earth. Hand your rest over to gravity, allowing gravity to do all of the work. And if thoughts arise, there's no need to follow them. Simply return to your breath, to sensation, to that feeling of being grounded and supported. And now from your inner world, imagine yourself stepping outside into a winter scene. The air is cool, clear. Each breath in and out feels fresh and uncluttered. The world around you is quiet, not empty, but resting. You begin to walk slowly along a simple path. Your pace is unhurried. Each step meets the earth with ease. Feel the ground beneath your feet, firm, steady, reliable. Even in the cold, it supports you fully. This is the longest night of the year. A moment of deep stillness, a pause before the turning. And as you walk, you notice the trees surrounding you. Their branches are bare, opening to the sky. They are not struggling, but they are conserving energy. Nothing in nature is rushed forward. Nothing is forcing growth. Allow your body to mirror this wisdom, to rest without guilt, to soften without collapse. Further along the path, you notice a small fire, sheltered from the wind, glowing steady and calm. It doesn't blaze or flicker wildly. It glows with quiet consistency. You move closer and you feel its warmth on your skin. A gentle heat that comforts without overwhelming. This fire doesn't burn brighter by trying. It stays alive because it's tended. Let your body absorb this message. Steadiness over thriving, presence over effort. You lay down by the fire and take some time here for some deep rest. Bringing awareness to your right hand thumb, your right first finger, second finger, third finger, and fourth finger. Bring awareness to the right palm, the top of the right hand, and the right wrist, the right forearm, the right elbow, the right upper arm, and the right shoulder, the right flank, the right waist, the right thigh, the right knee, the right lower leg, heels, toes, tops of the feet, soles of the feet, and all of the toes. And now bring awareness to your left hand thumb, your left first finger, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, the palm of your left hand and the top of your left hand, your left wrist, your left lower arm, your left elbow, the left upper arm, the left shoulder, the left flank, the left waist, the left hip, the left thigh, left knee, shin and calf, the left ankle, top of the left foot, sole of the left foot, heel, and all of the left toes. You're aware of rich seeds held in the earth beneath you, not waiting, but preparing. Roots quietly growing. Bringing awareness now back to your body, the pelvis, the belly, and the base of the spine. Sensing the quiet intelligence here, the places where restoration begins. Something within you is reorganizing, repairing, becoming. You don't need to see it. You don't need to manage it. It unfolds naturally when rest is allowed. And as the path opens in front of you, the sky begins to change. It's not bright yet, just subtly lighter. The return of the light is gentle, almost imperceptible. Notice how this gentle shift feels in your body. A soft clarity, a quiet warmth, a sense of balance returning. Light does not arrive through force. It returns because the darkness was honored. Let this deep knowledge settle within you with a sense of knowing. You pause on the path, standing quietly, grounded, supported. Your stillness is not passive, it is intentional. It's chosen. You feel the strength and the power of this pause, the authority of calm, the confidence of steadiness. You are now standing in your own rhythm, not anyone else's, not the world's, just yours. And if it feels natural, allow a simple intention to arise. A quiet truth, a way of being rather than doing. Let it be short and gentle, and allow it to settle into the body without any effort. In your inner landscape, begin to slowly turn back along the path, carrying with you the warmth from the fire, the patience of the seeds, the knowing of the turning light. There is no rush on your return. And now begin to bring awareness back to the body resting here. Feeling the support beneath you once more. Notice the breath, steady, natural. The temperature of the air on the skin. Becoming aware of the room around you. The sounds of space. Begin to invite small movements into the body. A gentle wiggle of the fingers or toes. Maybe a stretch if that feels good. Taking your time. And as you prepare to open your eyes, carry this with you. Rest is not something you fall into. It is something I choose. And when you are ready, softly open the eyes, allowing the light back in, gently, in your own time. Namaste.